loud sound again because
Is it on?
yes.
Oh yeah.
No, it's not. It's not. Oh hi guys, it's me
And Mika, so today we are playing
Roblox.
Easy Mega Obby on Roblox.
Yeah, we already started.
But
And-
like yeah,
And I'm sorry for guys that I wasn't in YouTube making videos
for like a long time, but we are back.
with one Roblox video, but we already far ahead, and then we're gonna I'm gonna make 2 videos. No, we'll make 2 videos up and with my cousin, my brother's busy playing another game. Okay guys, we're gonna play a game with Tyler.
joining.
Oh my god.
Wait, put the thing off and put it on again. Okay, bring it to where I am.
Sorry guys, my TV's on. My cousin is busy playing for me while I just, she's taking me to where she is.
Because I'm very far from her, so like.
Yes, and we're gonna make another video now.
But the other video is gonna be like
A different game, and I'll be picking the game, and you have to play it.
what? Brukoizen was also good. Didn't you say Brukoizen?
But we should play it after my game. Like,
What game do you?
Like, I play your game, you play
Stop
my game.
playing a lot.
Okay. I'm gonna go speeding, bro. And then I will come soon with the scary game. I love scary games.
I don't like scary games. Don't wanna play like Granny for the scary game. Like Granny.
Maybe I'll think about it by the end of the video. And guys, like and subscribe to my video.
To the channel because yeah, she never mentioned me in one of the videos, but
Yeah, this is the first video that you're in. You know that.
so we are just staying sometimes
Some
because
of
it is June holidays and we have nothing to do.
No,
So
it's
like
July holidays.
July holidays, but it started in June, so it's June holidays.
It's been 2 minutes right now since I made the video. I'll just make the video in 6 minutes because I don't want to be too long because I also have a second video.
Bro, where are you? I don't know where you.
Bro, wait for me.
I don't know even where you are. Like, it feels so like far from me.
Bro, I'm right close to you, so guys, she don't want to wait for me. Tell her in the
You literally there, bro.
I'm gonna try to open the comments so you guys can tell me in the comments because she's not waiting for me and say in the comments that she must wait for me. Oh, there she is by the background.
Just joking because you did already.
Oh no, I fell. Wait for me. And then next we're gonna do a ASMR, and it's night already, bro. It's not black.
It's evening. It's evening. Now it's 7 o'clock.
Maybe it's. I feel like it's 6 o'clock.
Yeah, look at the time.
It's not.
Look at the time.
Oh, it's 7 o'clock, guys, bro.
And where's you though? Can I run out?
Don't try to poop yourself. We'll see. We're gonna play. Don't try to poop yourself.
You a scary game.
No, it's very fun.
Now why is it?
It's so funny. If you poop and then you'll get a long poop.
Now why don't we play game?
Now we can play that after the game.
You see, if I pick a game, you always like nah. Always like nah. I'm waiting for you to Penelope. Why is your name Penelope?
That's what. So, and if you guys think why is my name Penelope in Roblox, because
our cousin.
No, my other cousin that's named Chelsea, she's 18, she turned 18 last time, and
Last year.
no, this year by last time. I don't know, I forgot.
A few months ago, yeah. Ram,
and I think I
waiting.
throw. And so,
She might just come.
and it's 5 minutes now. If I wanted to episode,
Where do you see this thing?
okay, please, okay. And if you want if you in South Africa, if you want it's Ketsa 104 and Penelope. And my one
We're
is
gonna put
one
it like we're gonna put it in the comment section. Like we're gonna put it on the screen.
I don't know how to do that, bro. But it's P1, 2, 3, T, 1, T and a 2. Okay, that's my Roblox. P1, 2,
Why are you
3,
shouting, girl?
2, T, 2. There we go. There's my parents on the background.
Yeah, it's like
It's been 6 minutes.
where do you see this nonsense? Oh dear.
But I will
6 minutes and 4 seconds. We're gonna make this 15 minutes.
if I don't say bye because I wasn't focusing on the timer. So bye.
Guys,
Let's say
can
bye.
we just go for the other girl now?
Okay, bye. Hopefully we can get a part 2. Maybe
We
I don't
literally
think
don't
there will
have
be
to
a part
go
2, but yeah, because this is so long obby and you guys can play and you probably know how to play this game. So bye.
Easy Fan Obby. Bye.
Bye. And and the name is called Easy Fan Obby. Bye. Bye.
See you.
See you next time. See you in the next video. Bye.